The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra features a sleek, professional design with a titanium frame that boosts durability while keeping the device lightweight. The device has slightly flatter side rails compared to the S22 Ultra, which makes it easier to hold and use. It comes in a variety of colors, including phantom black, cream, and lavender. The S23 Ultra boasts a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a QHD Plus resolution of 30,088 by 1440 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of 501 pixel per inch. It supports a fully adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, ensuring incredibly smooth scrolling and much better responsiveness throughout the interface. The display can reach a peak brightness of 1750 nits, making it easy to see even in bright sunlight. Additionally, it features Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, enhancing its resistance to scratches and drops. 2. Enhancing its resistance to scratches and drops. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is powered by Qualcomm's custom Snapdragon 8 General 2. With 8 gigabytes and 12 gigabytes of RAM, it provides exceptional performance, ensuring seamless multitasking capabilities. The custom Snapdragon chipset delivers remarkable speed, handling demanding applications and games without noticeable lag. The S23 Ultra is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. It offers impressive longevity, often lasting more than a day with typical use. It includes a versatile camera array featuring a primary lens with an impressive 200 megapixel sensor, capable of capturing stunning, detailed images in various lighting conditions. The low light performance is particularly noteworthy. The device offers 10 times optical zoom, allowing for versatile photography options from close-up to distant subjects without significant loss in quality. Samsung integrates advanced AI features that enhance image processing, including improved night mode capabilities and a real-time photo editing tool, while One UI offers extensive customization options. Some users may find it cluttered and complex to navigate. However, it includes useful tools like split screen, multitasking, and an enhanced notification system. Samsung commits to providing several years of software updates, ensuring that users can enjoy new features and security enhancements over time. So, in conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra stands out as one of the most powerful smartphones available today. Combining top-tier hardware with an elegant design, its physical attributes reflect a commitment to durability and usability, while catering to demanding users who require speed and efficiency. For those willing to invest in a premium device, the S23 Ultra is undoubtedly one of the best options on the market today.